I'm doing hearty cocktail hour. I'm doing Steak Frites Cones. So French fries, skirt steak, chimichurri, a ton of dipping sauces, and little cones. So these are gonna be for the dipping sauces. I start with my sauces for my Steak Frites Cones. The first mayo that I make is chipotle and adobo with mayonnaise. In a blender, I mix together black pepper, garlic, the chipotle and adobo canned, puree until it's nice and smooth, and then whip that with mayonnaise. The second aioli that I make is the cilantro aioli. It is cilantro, sherry vinegar in a blender so that it's a nice paste, and then I whip that with mayonnaise as well. And then I begin to fill my little droppers.
They're gonna use these to nurse the baby goats.
No, that's not what we're doing.
Okay.
The third sauce I'm making is a chimichurri. That is gonna basically coat my skirt steak. So the herbs that I use inside the chimichurri, predominantly parsley, and then a little bit of rosemary and marjoram. I chop the anchovy and the garlic together and then put that in there. Olive oil and a little bit of sherry vinegar. Meyer lemon zest, and a little bit of salt. That's it.
Oh, look at them.
They're adorable.
Like a birthday party. Where are we at with this, your flanker skirt? What'd you say?
Skirt.
How are you gonna season it and how are you gonna cook it?
Okay, so for me, I'm salt and pepper. Heavy salt, pepper, not
Fresh
oil.
cracked black pepper?
Fresh cracked black pepper.
That's the key.
Olive oil. For me, skirt steak should be medium, medium well.
Okay.
For a cocktail party, I'm always looking at those cuts of meat specifically because they just weather well.
Even if it's really hot or it's room temperature.
Sitting on some French fries.
Sitting on some French fries, you know people are gonna dig it.
They're still gonna eat it.
What are you making?
I'm grilling my skirt steak.
Okay.
It takes about 4 or 5 minutes on each side. Pull it off, let it rest. Want to make sure that you cut on a bias, so I'm slicing it very, 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 very thin, and I just marinate all of that beautiful grilled skirt steak in this chimichurri. So I take 2 potatoes, put them through the potato cutter, soak them in water with 1 cap of white vinegar, make them a little crispier to draw out the starch. The thing with the French fries, like you never want them to brown before they get crispy. So it is important that you give them a little blanch either in water or in oil. I got some more French fries so I can plate the other 2, but if you want to taste one of these bad boys. So I've got my cones laid out, put a little bit of the French fry in each cone, spoon the skirt steak and chimichurri over the top, and we're ready to go.
Ooh, I love
What flavor is this?
This one's Chipotle. That one's hard.
What is it?
Chipotle. Oh, go ahead, you do it.
All right.
And then the cilantro.
Yum.
You cooked the meat perfectly. The chimichurri on point.
All right, you win.